I hope you all are fit and fine. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter, that is your word processor tabular representation. So what is word processor? Your word processor is also known as Microsoft Word or MS Word, which is a graphic text processing software. So today in this class we are going to learn how to create a table, or how to insert a table in the Microsoft document, how to insert a row and column, how to delete that one. So let's start with this part. So first one, in this part we are going to discuss the steps, and also I will show you practically how we are inserting table. So first is, what is table? A table is a grid made up of rows and columns. So what is a table? A table is a collection of rows and columns. The intersection of rows and columns form a rectangular boxes called cells. So when we intersect rows and columns, it creates a rectangular box that is known as cell. Data is entered in the cell in the form of text or graphics. So how we will enter the data? We will enter the data in the cell in form of text or graphics. So next part is column. What is column? Columns are vertical series of cells, whereas rows are horizontal series of cells in a table. So vertical means north to south and horizontal means east to west. So next is a table displays data in an organized way in a document. It is inserted at the point where the cursor is positioned. This helps us to represent the information in an effective manner. So next, creating a table. So there are 4 ways we can create table. So what are those? First one is table grid. Second one, insert dialog box. Third one, draw table. Fourth one, quick table. So first we will see the steps, then I will show you practically in this video only. Next, using table grid. So what are the steps? So first step, click on the table button in the tables group of the insert tab. So where is the table button is represented or present? Tables group of insert tab. Next, you will see drop down menu containing a grid. So you can see a drop down menu containing a grid. Drag the mouse pointer over the grid, select the number of rows and columns to be inserted in the table. So here we have to drag using the mouse and we have to choose the number of rows and columns. Next, you will see the table inserted in the working area. This is the steps for the table grid. So next we will see insert table dialog box. How we are going to insert a table using insert table dialog box. So these are the steps. First step, click on the table button in the insert tab. First we have to click. Next, select the insert table option from the drop down menu. And from there is a drop down menu is available. We have to choose the insert table. So next you will see the insert table dialog box. Then what will appear? A insert table dialog box will appear. Next, specify the number of columns and rows. Click on the OK button. A table will be inserted. These are the steps for inserting a table using the insert table dialog box. So next is your using draw table. Follow these steps to create a table in a document using a drawing mode. So what are the steps? Let's see. So first is your click on the table drop down button on the insert tab. Select the draw table option. Next, the mouse pointer will change to a pencil pointer. Click on the desired position in the document and drag down the mouse pointer to the right to draw an outline of the table. Here you have to drag to the right side. Next, drag the pencil pointer from the left to right side to draw a row and top to bottom to draw a column. Click on the draw table button again or press the escape key once you have complete drawing the rows and columns of the table. So next is your using quick table. So how to insert table using the quick tables. Quick table means already some tables are there in the Microsoft Word. We have to choose one of them. So first one, click on the desired position you want to insert a table. Click on the quick table option in the table group of the insert tab. So next is your select the desired template from the drop down list. Next one is your converting text to a table. So here the text are there and we have to insert table. So first step, enter the text in the document, select the text, click on the table button in the insert tab, select the convert text to table option from the drop down menu. You will see the convert text to table dialog box. Specify the number of columns and rows in the number of columns and specify number of section. Click on the OK button. The selected text will appear in the table. So next is your entering data in a table. So what are the steps? First, place the cursor in the table cell where the data needs to be inserted. Second, press the tab key or the right arrow to move the adjacent cell. Press the shift or tab key or left arrow to move the previous cell. Enter the data in the table. Use the up-down arrow to shift the cursor to the cells above or below the current cells. So, selecting table and its component. So, first one, cell. Click on the cell. If you want to select a cell, that means we have to triple click on the cell. Next is the row. Move the mouse to the left of the row margin or click the left mouse button. Next is your column. Place the mouse pointer over the top of the column or click the left mouse button. Next is your selecting a text inside a cell. Word. Double click on the word. Sentence. Hold down the control key. Click anymore in the sentence. Next, block of text. Drag the mouse pointer over the text. Next is your paragraph. Paragraph. How to choose the paragraph? Triple click on the paragraph. So next, inserting and deleting rows and columns in a table. So insert columns or rows in a table. These are the steps. Select the column by clicking on its top border adjacent to which a new column needs to be inserted. You will see the table tools tab on the ribbon. Click on the layout tab under it. Select the insert left or insert right button in the rows and columns group. An empty column gets inserted in the table. Select a row and then click either on the insert above or insert below button in the row and column group of layout tab. An empty row gets inserted in the table. Next is your deleting rows and columns. Select the rows or column, click on the layout tab under the table tools menu. Next, select the delete button in the rows and columns group. You will see a list of options. Fourth, select the delete rows or delete column option in the drop down menu. Fifth, you can also right click on the selected row or column to be deleted and then choose delete cells. Next, delete entire row or delete entire column option from the shortcut menu and then click on the OK button. So now we will see the practical work. So let's minimize this one. Okay, you already know how to open the Microsoft Word. So first click on the start button, then we have to all apps, and there you will get the Microsoft Office. Here you can see Microsoft Office. Then click on Microsoft Office, and from there we have to choose Microsoft Word. So here you can see the Microsoft Word. Then I have to click on this. Now you just see a page is available. This is your Microsoft Word document. So we will work with the table. I hope you already know how to insert, how to type the text, how to cut, copy, how to increase the size of the document, decrease the size of the text, page layout, all those things you know. So today we will start with the insert. So first thing, when you create a table, there are 4 types of ways we can use to create a table or insert a table. First, so this is your insert tab. Next, inside the insert tab, table button. So this is the grid. I hope you can see this is the grid, and here the drop down menu is available. So what is insert table, draw table, convert text to table, and quick tables. So here I will choose. So let's start with the table grid. Here we can choose the table grid option. So first we will work with the insert table. So here you can see a dialog box appear. What is this? Number, table size, and number of column and number of rows. You can see the upward arrow is used to increase the size of column, and the downward arrow is used to decrease the size of the column. Here also to increase the size of the row and decrease the size of the row. Suppose here I have taken number of column is 7 and number of rows is 10. Then I will click on the OK. Just see, it created the column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 columns, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 rows are there. So this is the way to insert a table using the insert dialog box. So next is here. First let me delete this one so that we will work more. So delete table. So next is your insert the table. Next is your table option. Here you can see the table grid. Here I have taken 3 columns and 5 rows. You can see 1, 2, 3 and 3 columns are there, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows are there. This is how the table grid is working. Next is your draw table. Go to the insert tab, click on the table. Next is your draw table. So if I click the draw table, you can see the mouse pointer changes to a pencil pointer. So what it says, drag the mouse pointer or pencil pointer towards the right side. If I drag, you just see a table outer line or outline is created. If I use just see right to left to right, it will create the rows. So here, wait, from here if I create, okay, it's inserting another table. So let me, you just see row is inserted. If I use top to bottom, it will create a row. So this is the insert tab work. Next is your table. Next is quick table. So here you can see lots of predefined tables are there, and we have to choose one of them. Suppose I am choosing one of them. Before that, let me delete this one. Okay, delete table. So now I can use the quick table. So here you can see the quick table options are there. Now we have to choose one. Suppose let me choose this one. If I click on that, it will by default a table is inserted in our document. So next is your next is a delete this table. So let me create another table or insert another table using the insert tab. So here I have to mention suppose 5 column and 2 rows. Okay, click on OK. Suppose I want to insert new column. So here you can see if I right click on the cell, you can see the options insert, delete, select and so many drop down menu available. Drop down menu is available. You can see the options. So first, if I want to column, first I will choose insert column to the left. Just see, and another column is inserted. So suppose insert, I will choose insert column to the right. You just see another column is added to the right. So next suppose I am choosing insert a row above. So row above, you can see another row is added to it. So if next is your insert rows below. If I click on this, another row is created below. So next is your delete option. So how to delete? You can see the delete cells. So if you click on these 4 options are available. What? Left cell, shift cells left, shift cells up, delete entire row, delete entire column. If I click on the delete entire row, then okay, you just see the entire row is deleted. So next, if I delete the entire column, you just see the entire column is deleted. So these are the steps and these are the practicals. So if you are having laptop, then do the practicals. If not, nowadays in the Android phone also Microsoft Word is available. So do the practice in your Android phone also. Thank you, students.